In this video, I will animate birds along splines to create realistic flight patterns. I've included this segment to show another option, which is using TyFlow to animate an object along a path. However, I didn't find this option as successful as using the path constraint tool, so I didn't include that long of a clip. This option works well with a static object, but I couldn't quite figure out the rotation of my bird. Because TyFlow wasn't working very smoothly for me, I used the path constraint technique instead. I applied this technique to my previous model. I made 20 reference copies of my bird, ensuring that they would each still follow the animation keys I set. Then I selected each bird with all of its bones and selected the path constraint option in the animation toolbar. Then I clicked the spline that matched up with each bird's number. I noticed that some birds were following their paths tail first, so I went into the motion panel and clicked on rotation, then clicked on follow.